Hello and welcome to the KitPlus News Roundup, which is supported by Mediaproxy, who we've just found out is targeting the growing area of pop-up television and streaming channels by offering its flagship LogServer system as a flexible OPEX option. The compliance, logging and monitoring platform is now available for short-term rental to broadcasters covering a special event or creating additional temporary services. And we'll have more on this next week. Now, following on from the recent announcement of the Digi-box and NewTek partnership, we're going over to Mark to find out more.
Hi, I'm really thrilled to announce that Digi-box have signed a distribution agreement with NewTek to look after them in the UK and Ireland. We've loved NewTek for years and we've worked extensively with their NDI technology across multiple vendors, and we're really happy to have their innovative products from the TriCaster, their 3-play replay systems, cameras, and their whole product suite as part of the Digi-box portfolio. So we're really looking forward to taking their products out there to new markets. We're going from broadcast to the boardroom, and we're seeing a massive increase in the work that we're doing in AV and enterprise work alongside our traditional homelands of broadcast and post. We're thrilled to be working with NewTek, and I'm really looking forward to 2022.
Thanks, Mark. There's a more detailed interview we did with Mark last week, which you can find on the YouTube channel in the Season 5 playlist. So on to JOBY, who is releasing a new lineup of flagship audio mics for pro, on-the-go and desktop creators and streamers. The new release includes 5 new additions to the Wavo line. That's Wavo Pro, Wavo Pro DS, Wavo Air, Wavo Pod and Wavo Lav Pro. So alongside the Gorilla Pod and their BMO lighting lines, this entry into audio capture is the last piece of the puzzle for them.
Launched into space on December the 25th, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was sent into orbit by the European Space Agency in collaboration with NASA and the Canadian Space Agency. Realtra Space Systems are based in Dublin, Ireland, designed and developed the video camera telemetry system for the European Space Agency and selected 2 Marshall Electronics miniature HD cameras to be installed in the launch bay that beam back the iconic images to a worldwide audience. The cameras were supplied and supported by Marcam Europe.
Hitomi Broadcast has announced that TVN Live Production, one of Europe's leading mobile production companies, has purchased 3 MatchBox generator and analyzer systems, complete with MatchBox glass licenses, for upgraded capability across its studio complexes in Hamburg and Hanover, as well as in its OB trucks. So that's a good cue to go over to Christoph Moll, Technical Manager at TVN Live Production in Germany, who, aside from the latest news, has been a user of Hitomi's lip sync and alignment products for live sports for quite a few years now.
The glass app gives us a huge advantage and means that we can once again extend the reliability of synchronous video and audio transmission, even when we process signals from external service providers. Everyone on the team has an iPhone in hand and can access the app and test audio and video links from in front of the camera quickly and easily. And in the OBI van, we can read the runtime with a Hitomi system and seamlessly make adjustment accordingly. That's pretty nice.
Thanks, Christoph. It's always good to hear direct from customers how the kit's being used. Sonnet Technologies announced the DisplayLink dual DisplayPort adapter and the DisplayLink dual HDMI adapter, both for M1 Macs, and their new additions to the company's lineup with dual display adapters for Intel M1, M1 Pro, M1 Max, Mac, and Windows computers. Each adapter incorporates a captive cable with a USB-A connector, includes a USB-A female connector to USB-C male connector adapter, and connects to a compatible computer's USB or Thunderbolt port for bus-powered operation.
EditShare has won a 2021 Emmy Award for Technology and Engineering from the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. These are awarded for developments and or standardization involved in engineering technologies that either represent so extensive an improvement on existing methods or are so innovative in nature that they materially have affected television.
Nice. Well done, EditShare. Dejero has announced a new partnership with X2NSat, a leader in satellite communications across the Americas, with satellite gateways located in California and New Mexico. The collaboration will provide Dejero's North American customers with a resilient connectivity solution featuring blended cellular and Ku band satellite communications.
Nixer Pro Audio, manufacturer of monitoring and diagnostic solutions for Dante applications, has released PD Dante version 3. The PD Dante is often used in a production environment where the operator or director is also viewing separate video feed or multi-viewer, where any video processing delay adds latency when compared to the Dante AOIP network audio. Version 3 of PD Dante allows the main monitoring output to be delayed via a simple on-screen adjustment, making for an improved operator experience.
Now, last week we reported on the VNova news that MPEG-5 LCEVC codec enhancement has been selected by the Brazilian SBTVD forum. Now, if you were left wondering what that all meant, then Mr. MXF is here to explain what it all means.
Brazil's SBTVD forum selects MPEG-5 LCEVC for next-gen TV 3.0. What a lot of buzzwords. Let's break it down. Brazil, massive country, loves football, lots of forests and wonderful pão de queijo, that's cheese balls. SBTVD is the Forum Sistema Brasileiro TV Digital Terrestre, in other words the Brazil Digital TV System Forum. Next Gen TV 3.0 is Brazil's next generation TV system that's adopted quite a few of the features from the USA's ATSC group. Now, the compression standard allows you to use several different base layer codecs like HEVC or VVC+. LCEVC is an enhancement layer codec. So what's an enhancement? Well, take an image and make a lower resolution of it and then encode it with your favorite base layer codec. It doesn't really matter which one you use. Now, if you look at the enhancement layer that's required to add the detail back into the upsampled base layer, you discover it's a bit noise-like and not really something that a linear filter or even an AI can easily reconstruct or guess. LCEVC is a special codec that's optimized for compressing trees of tiles of this sort of noise-like image that's computationally efficient, resulting in low power, low bitrate and good battery life for things like mobile. You can find more of the grubby little details and comparisons with MPEG's VVC and other codecs at lcevc.org. Nice.
Thanks, Mr. MXF, breaking down those buzzwords once again. As he says, visit lcevc.org for more information on the codec. Mo-Sys Engineering will join forces with Moxion, QTAKE and OVIDE to show groundbreaking collaborative virtual production workflow at the HPA Tech Retreat 2022. As a gold sponsor of the in-person event, Mo-Sys will take part in the super session entitled Immerse Yourself in Virtual Production. Located in the Innovation Zone, Mo-Sys, Moxion and QTAKE will have a combined stand featuring a Sony crystal LED wall with a Sony Venice attached to a curve rail.
If you're watching wondering what the HPA Tech Retreat is, then check out hpaonline.com. It's billed as unique hub on tech events with ideas explored and debated from breakfast roundtables through to nightcaps. This is all happening on 21st to 24th of February in Palm Springs. Hedge has just released 3 product updates to its suite of tools for filmmakers and video professionals: Hedge Elements, Edit Ready Raw and Canister Spanning. Driven by customer demand for the new features, these latest updates address common challenges today's modern video editors face.
Blackmagic Design has announced that the Pentatonix concert The Evergreen Experience was shot with Blackmagic Ursa Broadcast G2 and Ursa Mini Pro 12K cameras in Blackmagic RAW by video production company Mix One Cinema.
Playbox Technology UK has delivered 2 more channel-in-a-box systems to PBC Jamaica, the public broadcasting services in the country. This will allow PBCJ to boost its educational offering within the local Jamaican population. PBCJ's aim is to inspire positive change in the community through its programming and provides a platform for debate and discussion, as well as free expression of the culture of the island. It's also responsible for coverage of debates in the Jamaican Parliament.
Lightware Visual Engineering is joining the Esports Trade Association, ESTA, if you come across that again in future, adding its AV signal management expertise to the rapidly growing gaming and esports communities. Gaming tournaments now rival traditional sports events in terms of scale and popularity, but they also present their own unique audio-video technology challenges. Lightware's full lineup of AV over IP systems, matrix switches and extenders are a perfect fit for supporting high-profile esports applications, offering pixel-perfect, real-time delivery of video signals with resolutions up to 4K 60 444 and with intuitive configuration tools and redundancy features.
Pliant Technologies, Crewcom Digital Wireless Intercom was the choice when British Columbia Institute of Technology, BCIT, was looking to replace an outdated wired intercom system. Renowned for its esteemed broadcast-focused curriculum, BCIT teaches broadcast journalism, television production and video production, providing students with hands-on educational experiences within its multiple production studios. With Pliant's Crewcom Intercom, students can now experience a cutting-edge, modernised communication solution, providing an invaluable skill set to prepare them for a professional broadcast career.
And finally, in the news this week, Avid has extended the power of its collaborative post-production solutions with the introduction of Avid Nexus Edge. This innovative new software option enables post-production teams to work from any location, delivering secure remote access to media and metadata.
So that's it for the news this week. Do check out those links on the HPA Tech Retreat, as there's a lot going on online as well as in person this year. hpaonline.com. If you're on the move, then try the KitPlus podcast, where we have hundreds of interviews with industry professionals. Either search your podcast directory for KitPlus or go to kitplus.com/podcast. Thanks to Mediaproxy for their support of KitPlus TV, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.